Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Fatima again, and as you can see, I have a really bold look for you today. Just because my last look was so simple, I just wanted to kind of dress it up a bit today. I have these long nails that I'm experimenting with, and today's look is a Kill Bill inspired look because I have this Quentin Tarantino bodysuit, which I'll show you when I'm editing. And this is a really cool, it's very simple though, cool, easy look. So we have some sharp black liner and then some yellow on the inner corner and underneath. And we also have some red, just to bring that like kind of bloody revenge plot of Kill Bill in. One of my favorite movies, by the way. Both 1 and 2, literally love them so much. It's just like badass girl power, you know? So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this look, or if you have any other looks that you want me to do, or just like any other YouTube videos. I hope you enjoy this. Stay tuned and let's get started. Okay, so now we're gonna get into the fun eye part of the look. And this is not gonna be really complicated in terms of eyeshadow. We're just gonna go in with my usual palette, as you can see from how used it is. And we're just gonna do these contour colors on the bottom and also a little bit of black to add some drama. So first, let's go in with this lightest shade and focus it on the inner corner of the eye. Right, and next, going in with this light brown, and we're going to focus that on the center of the lid. Going to use that camel color on the crease right there. Okay, and then after that crease is done, we're gonna take a little bit of the dark red as usual and put it just underneath the brow. All right, so now getting into the dark brown. Told you this was fast and like uncomplicated. The complicated part is gonna come later where we're gonna use a little bit of a yellow eyeliner, but the eyeshadow is super simple. So going in with that dark brown, focusing on the center and outer part of the eye. So we're going to use a little bit of black, and we're going to focus that pretty much on the edge of the eye. We're kind of blending the black with that red and sweeping it a bit up towards the brow. Pretty much creating that smoky eye effect. Not super smoky, but a little bit smoky. Bring in the drama. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. black liner as usual, and we're going to do a really dramatic, kind of straight, bold line today. All right, so now we're gonna add that yellow liner. I'm not sure exactly what we're gonna do with it yet. I know I'm gonna have it underneath. I might add a little bit to the inner corner, but we'll see. So anyway, this is the NYX Vivid Brights liquid eyeliner. So excited to use it. So yeah, as I said, first we're going to put it underneath that black line that we created. Okay, so we have that going, that black and yellow wing. And I think we're also gonna do a bit on the inner corner of the eye, maybe just at the bottom right there. Okay, so we have that, and then of course we're gonna add some red, like deep red underneath the eye, kind of like bloody. Because you know Kill Bill is all about like bloody violence and revenge. Okay, so let's take that deep red from the palette and just focus that right underneath the eye. Okay, and then just to brighten it up a bit, we're also going to go in with that lighter red, just to make it pop a bit more. Okay, so we have the base of the eye. Next, we're going to do a little bit of the NYX Climax Extreme Mascara, and we're going to add some falsies on top. I have so many lash options, I have no clue which one to use, so I'm trying to like put it near my face to see which ones would be the best. Maybe the second or the third. I think I'm gonna go for the second. Okay, so we have the lashes on, and finally we're gonna add some NARS Orgasm blush as usual with our fan brush. And we're also gonna do a bit of, not nude, but like a dark brown lipstick just to pull the whole look together. Alright, so this is the final look. So happy with how it came out. As I promised, was not long at all, and I'm sure it was not that hard to follow, just as long as you have some patience. I put on some lipstick and also lashes to complete the look, and some nails to get into that fierce vibe. So I hope you like it. Just zooming in to show you the details of it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you thought of this look, or if there's any other looks that you want me to do. Loved doing this, it was so fun. I feel like colored liners, they just add that like extra oomph, and they're just so creative and unique, so definitely want to use more colored liners in the future. I'm definitely loving this look, hope you recreate it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and can't wait to be back making more videos for you guys. Thanks.